Today I discuss very important topic Nana. The topic name is Doppler's effect. Okay. Here this is the vehicle Nana. For example car. This is the car Nana. Car. This is the person Nana. Look here. What is the use of car to produce the sound? What is the use of car once again to produce the sound? Okay. Here initially car and person both are at rest. The person listen same sound. Once again I repeat. Initially car produces sound because of horn. Person also at rest. Person and car both are at rest. Both are at rest. Listen same sound. Okay. But here person moving towards the car. The person listen more sound. Okay. That is called appears sound because car always give same sound. But because of person is in motion towards the car, person is in motion towards the car, okay? The person listen maximum sound. And again, look here now. For example, the person is moving away from other. Person is moving away from the car, okay, this person, okay, listen less sound. That means the appears sound is less. Next now, person is at rest car moving towards the person. The person listen maximum sound. That means the appears change in frequency of sound heard by the observer. Once again, apparent frequency heard by observer. Apparent frequency heard by the observer due to apparent frequency heard by observer due to relative motion between source and observer. Due to relative motion between source and observer, okay? The apparent frequency heard by the observer due to relative motion between source and observer. This apparent frequency is nothing but this phenomena is nothing but the Doppler effect. Doppler effect is applicable perfectly relative motion between observer and source applicable. Frequency heard by the observer due to relative motion between source and observer. This phenomena is called as Doppler effect. Here source and observer both are at rest. No Doppler effect. And again I discuss now. For example, actual frequency of the sound is N. Once again, sound actual frequency always denoted by N. Appears frequency denoted by N dash. N dash occur relative motion between car and person. That means source and observer. Okay. Here N dash minus N. That means the difference between apparent frequency and actual frequency. This difference is called as Doppler shift. Once again I repeat Nana, what is the Doppler shift Nana? The difference between actual frequency and apparent frequency. This difference is called as Doppler shift. What is the Doppler shift? The difference between actual frequency and apparent frequency is called as Doppler shift. Doppler effect is applicable when source or observer relative motion is applicable. Okay, relative motion is applicable. Here Nana, directly I give the formula Nana, no derivation. Okay, directly general formula for Doppler effect Nana. Look here, all of you, very important topic Nana. This is general formula for Doppler effect. Here, according to this situation, this is the vehicle Nana. This vehicle is nothing but the source Nana. Here, what is the use of source? Always to produce the sound. Okay, this is the observer. What is the use of observer? To observe the sound. Once again, what is the use of source? To produce the sound. What is the use of observer? To Nana, this is the Doppler effect Nana. Doppler effect is nothing but the, for example, the person moves towards the source. Okay, the person listen maximum sound. The person moves away from the car, away from the source, the person listen less sound. That means because of relative motion, frequency of sound change. That is called apparent frequency. The apparent frequency of sound heard by the observer due to relative motion between source and observer. Here, source always to produce the sound, observer always to listen the sound. Here, velocity of source denoted by Vs. Velocity of observer denoted by V0. Once again I repeat, velocity of source denoted by Vs, velocity of observer denoted by V0. Okay, here source always to produce the sound traveled in the form of waves. Here velocity of sound denoted by V, actual frequency of the sound is n. Once again, V is the velocity of sound, n is the actual frequency of the sound. Okay, next Nana I discuss here, because of person moves towards the car, the sound appears maximum. The person moves away from the car, sound appears minimum. ORR, observer at rest. Source moving towards the observer, the person appears maximum sound. Source moving away from the observer, the person appears minimum sound. Okay, that is called apparent frequency. Apparent frequency denoted by n dash equal to n into. Okay, this is the general formula Nana. This is the general formula V0 Vs. Here write plus or minus, here write minus or plus. Look here now, what is the n dash? N dash is, here Nana, n dash is apparent frequency. This is the general formula for Doppler effect, Nana. What is the n dash? N into V plus R minus V naught by V minus R plus Vs. Here n dash is apparent frequency heard by the observer. N is actual frequency of sound. Okay. V is velocity of sound value in air 330 meter per second. V naught is velocity of the observer. Vs is velocity of the source. Once again I repeat, Nana. Here V indicate velocity of sound. Vs indicate velocity of the source. V naught indicate velocity of the observer. N indicate actual frequency of the sound. N dash equal to apparent frequency heard by the observer. This is the general formula, Nana. Once again to see here. Okay. In the concept I discuss some cases, Nana. The first case I discuss. Look here, Nana. Look here. This is the source, Nana. What is the use of source in the chapter? To produce the sound. This is the observer, Nana. What is the use of observer? To listen the sound. Velocity of source denoted by Vs. Velocity of the observer denoted by V naught. Vs indicate velocity of the source. V naught indicate velocity of the observer. Here the first question is observer at rest. Look here, Nana, all of you. The first question is observer at rest. Observer at rest means V naught becomes 0. Velocity of the observer becomes 0. In this case, source moving towards the observer. Source moving towards the observer. Apparent frequency n dash equal to N into, what is the general formula here? V naught, Vs. This is the general formula. Here observer at rest means V naught becomes 0. Look the diagram. Here source moving towards the observer. Observer listen maximum sound. Maximum sound means maximum frequency. Maximum frequency means here minimum, because both are inversely. Here maximum occur, here write minus. Okay, n dash equal to n into V by V minus Vs. Next now, case 2. Observer motion here, so here once again repeat, the source here, observer here also observer rest. Observer rest means V naught becomes 0. Here source moving away from the observer. Once again I repeat, source moving away from the observer. Here observer listen less sound, Nana. What is the general formula? N dash equal to N. Look here. V naught, Vs. Here observer at rest. V naught becomes what? 0. Here source moving away from the observer. Observer listen less sound. Less sound means apparent frequency less. Less means here plus. Okay, here denominator more, total value becomes less. This is the formula for n dash. Observer is moving away, source is moving away from the observer. Next case, Nana, case 3. Look here, Nana, case 3. Look here. Here source S, observer O. Look here, Nana. Here, in this case, source at rest, Nana. Look here, source at rest. Here, observer moving towards the source. Find apparent frequency n dash equal to n. What is the general formula? V naught by Vs. Look here, Nana, all of you. Here, source at rest. Source at rest means Vs value becomes 0. Here, observer moving towards the source. Moving towards the source means, once again I repeat, observer moving towards the source. Observer listen maximum sound. Here both are directly proportional. Here maximum, here also maximum. It write plus. What is the formula for n dash? N into V plus V naught by V. Case 4, Nana. Look here. All of you look here. Here also same, Nana. Source is at rest. That means velocity of source becomes 0. Here, Nana, observer. Here, observer moving away from the source. That means observer listen less sound, Nana. N dash equal to n into. Look here, Nana. This is V. This is V naught. This is V. This is Vs. In the denominator Vs 0, because according to question, source at rest, velocity of source becomes 0. Here observer moving away, that means observer listen less sound, that's why here write minus. These 4 formulas is most important to solve the problems. Okay. Next, Nana, I discuss case 5. Look here, Nana.